Cryonex App Review. Is it a legit or scam mining app? So what is Cryonex? Cryonex Mining is an Android app published by Cyprian PV, according to the Play Store. It offers cloud mining for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. The app is free to download, with about 10,000 downloads in recent weeks. Rating is average at about 3.2 out of 5, based on 95 reviews. User reviews describe earning small amounts, but not being able to reach or make a withdrawal. Some mention the app slowed down or the mining speed dropped significantly once their balance neared the withdrawal minimum. Others say account issues, data lost, being unable to open the app again, etc. Here are the warning signs. Low ratings and complaints about withdrawal problems that's consistent with many mining app scams. Domain and identity obfuscation. Typical cloud mining issues. Mining crypto from phones via cloud offers and apps almost always yields extremely low returns, and often the mining is more cosmetic than productive. Many similar apps fail to pay or impose high thresholds or fees. Slow or no payout claims. Users say that once they get close to the payout threshold, earnings slow massively or get stuck. So let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, the app is free to install, so no upfront cost for trying. If it works as claimed for very small amounts, some people may see tiny rewards, and it might motivate users to learn more about crypto. However, it has very low rating and bad reviews regarding withdrawals. It's likely not profitable. In many cases, users invest time or even buy hash power or boosters and end up with negligible gains. You have a risk of losing personal information or being misled into in-app purchases. The many red flags around legitimacy, domain privacy, and unverified claims means to proceed with caution. So is Cryonex legit or a scam? It leans heavily towards scam or very risky or inflated promises, in my opinion. It's possible some small payouts happen, but the evidence suggests many users never get to withdraw, or their returns are so small they practically are unusable. If you try it, don't invest money you can't lose. Test small and expect disappointment. Better options might be to understand real crypto mining, use reputable platforms, or invest directly in crypto assets rather than cloud miner apps like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.